As our final year project, a decentralized application to create roadmap of individuals during an epidemic or pandemic was created. This project was done by Leo Verghese, Mohit Rajan, and Ria Alexander. In this project, basically, a decentralized system to track people's movement using GPS is created. This system consists of three parts: a bootstrap server, an admin console, and an client, which is an Android application. Whereas the bootstrap server is a Node.js server and the admin console is a React app. The problem we're trying to tackle here is that especially during an epidemic or pandemic, after the community spread of a disease, it is difficult to pinpoint where the person might have crossed path with an infected person, and especially in accurately in a chronological order. For that, we use this, and the architecture we follow is an event driven architecture. Here basically we have event producers and consumers. For us, the event consumers and producers are of two types: either the Android application or the React app, that is a web console. They produce different events which have been consumed by either the Android application or the admin panel. And this is the internal architecture of the admin panel, which is a React app. Here it's divided into the UI part and the state management. And for the state management, we have a Redux store and API call part. The API call part basically gets request data and gets the location data, which is sent to the Redux store, from where the required UI components have been updated. This is the internal architecture of the Android application. In the Android, we follow MVVM architecture. So there is a map or location history fragment, which is a UI part, which sends and receives data from the view model, which gets the data from the chain database. This is the DFD for our project. As said before, the implementation is been divided into three parts: the Node.js, admin panel, and Android application. The Node.js consists of two modules: the bootstrap module and the communication module. The bootstrap module deals with user authentication within the decentralized network, while the communication module is used to connect multiple clients and the admin panel. The admin panel consists of two parts, as stated before: the UI part and the state management part. The UI part is built using React.js, while the state management is done using Redux. And for the Android application, we have 5 different functionalities: the user authentication, the map fragment, the location history fragment, the internal services, and the room DB. The internal services basically runs as an Android service which collects location data at every specified time, and this data is stored in room DB and also is given to the location history fragment and the map fragment, which is the majority UI part, which shows the location data has a map fragment or a timeline. Then there's also the user authentication, which checks if the inputted phone number is already exists or not and shows specified message accordingly. And in the end, we created the roadmap of a user and it's distributed to multiple devices. Now let's see some live working of the said application.